Chapter 13, Part 2, Translation. Je te parle. Let's translate this as talking this time. So I am talking to you. So this is the indirect object pronoun. Nous vous parlons. We speak to you. And now this is the same form as if we were talking two languages. I'm speaking you, or I talk to you. You've got to translate it based on the context. Ils se parlent. They are speaking to each other. To each other would be the indirect object reflexive pronoun. Se. Vous ne parlez. Vous nous parlez. You are talking to us. Il lui parle. He is talking to him or to her or to it, depends on the context. And nous leur parlons. We are talking to them. And then je lui parle, that didn't make it on the bottom of this slide, is I am talking to him or to her or to it. Je lui parle, I am talking to him.